Welcome back. It's art time class. Today we're going to be glazing our ceramic project. Let's get started. To begin, second, third, and fourth graders will have a pinch pot of some kind. Maybe it looks like more of a dish or more of a cup in a different shape. It's really up to the artist. If you weren't here for that project, I did make an extra one for you, so don't worry. And for our kindergartners and first graders, we're going to be glazing a medallion, which is something like a pendant. You can wear it, you can hang it in a tree, put it on wherever it is you want. And we are going to be glazing one side of our project. So if you have a medallion, you get one side, not both sides. If you have like a bowl or dish, you can either do this whole side or you can do this whole side, but you can't do both, okay? You're going to get to pick between different colors like red, orange, yellow, green, blue. There's also pink and white. And when you are painting, you want to make sure that you're doing more than one layer of glaze. So here is a red medallion, and this has one layer, and this has probably two layers. This is also a red medallion, but this one has 4 layers of glaze. So you can really see the difference of color. You can also see that this was from 2 years ago because the edges aren't rounded and smoothed, where this one is from this year and it's smoothed out. Okay, so those are some of the differences you might see. Here's what the pink look like. 4 layers, 1 layer, two layers. You really want more than like at least 4 layers of glaze is what's really going to make it look nice. Here's how orange looks. Again, this is with 4 layers and with it being smooth versus not being smooth, and this is 1 layer. We've got 2 layers over here. Here's what yellow looks like. Bright, shiny yellow. Here's green. 4 layers. Look at that. Looks really nice. Here's our blue color. Ooh, look how bright that blue gets. It's nice and deep. I like this color a lot. For our project, we get to pick 2 colors. So here I have my 2 colors. I picked red and white. Now this is red glaze. It might not look this color right now, but once it is fired, once I put it in that special device called a kiln that I talked about, it's going to get this bright, shiny color right here, okay? You'll have 2 paint brushes, and you're going to get some of that paint, that glaze paint onto your brush, and you're going to paint one side. Let's go ahead and do the medallion, okay? If you want to mix the colors on the ceramic piece, it's okay to layer them. You want to help make sure it dries in between. If you want to try to get the edge, you can try to get the edge. That's okay. If you do get any on the bottom, I will wipe that away before I put it inside the kiln. All right, so there's that. Let's put this to the side. And now I'm going to do some white. Okay. And I'm going to let that dry. I can see it starting to dry up here. I'm going to go ahead and grab some more red. I actually don't really need to hold it up. I do want to make sure I'm holding it so it's not moving around a whole lot. Okay. Got a little bit of white. So far I've got 2 layers of each color. I want to give it time to dry. I'm trying to fan it so it speeds up. And then once you are finished, It is going to take me at least 2 weeks to get this back to you, so you should have it before Mother's Day at the latest, okay? Oh, I can't wait to see what you're going to do on your project. Till next time, keep being creative.